Thank, thank you, Sai Kiran. Now I would like to call Deshwant to give motivational thought.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Deshwant of Grade-VI Topaz. Today's thought: every day is a new day, and you'll never be able to find happiness if you did not move on. I repeat it again: every day is a new day, and you will never be able to find the happiness if you did not move on. Thank you.
Thank you, Deshwant, for your motivational thought. Now I would like to call Harinandan to teach us new word.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is D. Anandan of Grade-VI Topaz. Word: gigantic. Friends, please spell after me. Gigantic. Gigantic. It means very big size. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Bhavana to motivate us with her motivational speech.
Happy morning, everyone. Now I am going to say speech on life. Life is nothing but a journey with lessons, hardships, heartache, and special moments. It will ultimately lead us to our destination, our purpose in life. The road not always be a plain. In fact, throughout our travels, we will face many challenges. These challenges test our courage, strength, weakness, and faith along our way. We may encounter obstacles that will come between the path. And I'm concluding my speech with some thoughts. Always be kinder than you feel. The success is a journey, not a destination. Thank you.
To call Harshavardhini to give speech on spices.
Happy morning, everyone. I am C. Harshavardhini of Grade-VI Topaz. Today I am going to tell speech on spices. A spice is a part of a plant or a powder made from that part which we put in food to give it flavor. Apart from adding flavor in our food, spice also add goodness to our health. We don't need to run to doctor for all little ailments if we know contribution of spice towards our health. Now I would like to enlighten you about some spices. Cumin seeds improves digestion and cures sleeplessness. Cinnamon and clove release from toothache. Ginger helps us when we have cough and cold and relief from pain. Black pepper helps us in digestion and relief from body pain. Cardamom helps us in digestion, respiratory troubles, and bad breath. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you for your helpful tips. Now I would like to call Amir to check our general knowledge.
Happy morning. Today GK questions. Happy morning. Today GK questions. Question for grade 6. How many amino acids required to make protein? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 20. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. The percentage of protein in soybean is? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 42%. Let us appreciate them. Which is the question for grade 8. Which is the largest source of protein? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is soybean. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Who is the father of modern chemistry? I repeat it once again. Who is the father of modern chemistry? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Anthony Lavoisier. Open questions. What is the atomic number of rhodium? I repeat it once again. What is the atomic number of rhodium? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is 55. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Durga to amaze for telling us amazing facts.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Pujari Durga of Grade-VI Topaz. I am here to
say about amazing facts. Fact number 1. India is the first country to mine diamonds. Fact number 2. India is the second largest speaking English country in the world. Fact number 3. Your brain isn't fully formed until your age 25. Fact number 4. Your DNA could stretch from Earth to the moon in thousands of times. Fact number 5. The oceans produce majority of oxygen on Earth. Fact number 6. The sharks do not have any bones. Fact number 7. Cows and horses can sleep by standing up. Fact number 8. Shrimp's heart is in its head. Fact number 9. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. Fact number 10. The crocodile cannot stretch its tongue outside. Thank you. Have an amazing day.
Now I'd like to call Amulya to give speech on Christmas.
క్రిస్మస్ పండుగ ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా వందల కోట్ల మంది క్రైస్తవులు జరుపుకునే పండుగ. లాటిన్ భాషలో క్రీస్తు అనగా క్రీస్తు, మాస్ అనగా ఆరాధన, అంటే క్రీస్తును ఆరాధించడం. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం డిసెంబర్ 25వ తేదీన ఈ పండుగను జరుపుకుంటాము. క్రిస్మస్ కథనం ప్రకారం యేసుక్రీస్తు జననం పశువుల పాకలో జరిగింది. అప్పుడు దేవదూత మేరీమాత కడుపున లోకరక్షకుడు జన్మించాడని తెలియజేస్తుంది. తూర్పు దేశ జ్ఞానులు యేసుని దర్శించి ఆరాధించి వెళ్ళారు. క్రిస్మస్ పండుగకు క్రైస్తవులు తమ ఇళ్లను, చర్చిలను ఎంతో అందంగా అలంకరిస్తారు. క్రిస్మస్ రోజున క్రైస్తవులు ప్రార్థనలు చేసి బంధువుల ఇళ్లకు వెళ్ళి, మిత్రుల ఇళ్లకు వెళ్ళి శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుకుంటారు. ధన్యవాదములు.
Thank you everyone for giving us this opportunity to showcase our skills.